There were 268 new cases of COVID-19 just last week in Vigo County. And local health officials say this spike could set the county to move backward in reopening, which is causing some local business owners concern. Lindsay Jackson joins us with their response to this possibility. Lindsay.
Taylor, recently Vigo County has seen its largest spike in cases since the pandemic began, and health officials say just because the state is open, that doesn't mean people should let their guards down.
I mean, we're barely catching our breath. It's not like any of us are out of the woods from being closed for 3 months. So getting knocked down again would for sure put some of us out of business. I mean, I just don't see how people can keep going.
Vigo County health officials were optimistic about slowing the spread of COVID-19, but after seeing the largest spike in confirmed cases during the week of October 11th, they say they fear the county may have to partially shut back down. And to keep this from happening, everyone in the community must do their part.
With the increase of cases, this is kind of an alert for people that they need to continue to be cautious, wear their masks, social distance, wash their hands. All those things that we've been saying this whole time, really take that into consideration when you're out and about and doing things.
With mask mandates and social distancing guidelines in place during Stage 5 of Governor Holcomb's reopening plan, gathering restrictions were lifted and restaurants and bars also reopened at full capacity. And business owners say moving back in phases could be detrimental.
Again, financially, it's going to affect the owners, it's going to affect the staff. Depending on what that step is and how many steps back we do go, that's the variance on how much it's going to hurt us. I mean, we definitely don't want to go back to the point where we have to close the door and just do curbside only.
And the owner of the Verve says she's doing what she can to safely stay open.
Social distancing doesn't happen. I am not going to put my staff at risk by fighting with people to tell, I'm not the police. I encourage face masks. My staff wear face masks. But I need to stay open.
Elder says this setback is disheartening and they hope to slow the spread.
4 weeks ago, we were declining and we've just started to increase back up. And, to have our highest week of the whole pandemic last week is really not where we want to be, especially going into cold and flu season and the holiday season. We want to get cases down so we feel more comfortable doing things for the holidays.
Now, Vigo County is currently in the orange, according to the Indiana State Department of Health. Elder says they'll know by Wednesday if the county has moved to red, depending upon the county's case count and positivity rate. Back to you, Taylor.
Thank you, Lindsay, for that report.